The role that the environment plays in our operation is integral to ultimately what we do. We want to leave the ground and the earth in the same or much better condition than what we came to it in. So the environmental aspect of our business is very similar to the system approach that the windmills behind us employ. The wind generates energy through them, the same as the nutrients that are within the pork production system we remove and use as fertilizer to raise the crops that our animals ultimately consume. I think we all look at ourselves as stewards of the land and stewards of what we're doing.